Hi, and welcome to our Channacademy course on orders. Let's have a look at the general journey of an order without synchronization, and from there, we can highlight where exactly Channable comes into play. For this example, let's pretend that you work in the fashion industry, and you receive an order for one of your best-selling items on Amazon. A pair of jeans that is currently running a bit low in the size that has been ordered, and this was your last stock. This order is now in the Amazon system and needs to be handled by Amazon itself. However, in your online shop, let's say Shopify in this example, you now also need to log this order, adjust the stock of the product, and once you send the order, you will have to go back to Amazon to add a track and trace code and let Amazon know that the order is now on its way by updating the order on Amazon itself with all the required information. Because this is a fast-selling product, you will also want to make sure that the stock gets updated on your other order marketplaces as quickly as possible so that you do not have anyone ordering your product while it's out of stock. Meaning you will have to go to each marketplace individually and update the stock of the product yourself. Everything here is a tedious and a time-consuming process, which is exactly what our order synchronization aims to eliminate. Now let's have a look at the same order for the same pair of jeans, but with our order synchronization active. Instead of you transferring the data manually into your Shopify web shop, our system will do this for you. We receive the order information from Amazon, translate it into the fields of your shop system, and send Shopify all of the order information so that it is recorded there. From here, all you need to do is handle the order as you normally would. So pack that order, create a track and trace code, and ship your order. You handle all of this only from your Shopify web shop. Change the status of the order from open to shipped, and voila! The order also gets updated automatically on Amazon. The stock gets synchronized across your different channels, and you only have to handle the order in one place, directly in your shop system.
We want to hear your questions on what you want to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification button to learn more about e-commerce and all the aspects behind it. Join us at Channable.